corns on feet. Corns are a common foot problem. They form when the skin on your foot rubs against something, such as the side of a shoe. This can happen when you wear shoes that don't fit well or when you have bony feet. Corns often form on the tops and sides of your toes and on the soles of your feet. Foot corn treatment in Fort Worth TX can vary depending on the severity of the corn. For minor corns, over-the-counter corn pads or cushions may be all that is needed to relieve pain and prevent further irritation. If these measures do not work, however, you may need to see a podiatrist for more aggressive treatment. A podiatrist can remove the corn or callus with a scalpel or other sharp instrument. This procedure is called debridement. In some cases, the podiatrist may also prescribe medication to help treat the corn or callus. If you have diabetes or another condition that causes poor blood flow to your feet, you should see a podiatrist as soon as possible if you develop a corn or callus. This is because you may be at risk for developing an infection. If you have an infection, it will need to be treated with antibiotics. In most cases, corns and calluses are not serious and can be treated at home. However, if you have diabetes or poor blood flow to your feet, you should see a podiatrist as soon as possible to avoid complications. Symptoms of corns on the feet include pain when pressure is applied to the corn, redness and swelling around the corn, thickened, hard skin on the foot. Treatment of corns on the feet include soaking the feet in warm water to soften the corn, using over-the-counter corn pads or cushions, wearing shoes that fit well and do not rub against the foot, seeing a podiatrist for debridement or other treatment if needed. Ideal candidates for treatment of foot corns include people with minor corns who have no diabetes or other conditions that cause poor blood flow to the feet, people who are able to soak their feet in warm water and use over-the-counter corn pads or cushions, people who do not have an infection. If you have any of these symptoms, you should see a podiatrist. They will be able to diagnose your condition and recommend the best treatment for you. If you're interested in receiving foot corn treatment in Fort Worth, TX, please give our office a call today at 9,728,059,985. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have any concerns or questions about your health, you should always consult with a physician or other healthcare professional.